issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 2:15 a.m. At 11:19 p.m., numerous severe thunderstorms were located over northern Illinois, all moving east-southeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver Crib, Calumet Harbor, Wilmette Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Jackson Park Harbor, Diversey Harbor, and Deuceable Harbor. Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 12:30 a.m. At 11:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Poplar Grove, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elgin, Crystal Lake, Carpentersville, Algonquin, Lake, Indiana The Hills, McHenry, Woodstock, Hunley, Island Lake, Baringo, Cary, Pingree Grove, Gilberts, West Dundee, Hampshire, Fox River Grove, Barrington Hills, Lakewood, Sleepy Hollow, and East Dundee. Including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 32 and 56. This includes McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, and Marine Hills State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe